Chakra alignment. The way I be kicking that link.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Detail Fetish, and in this video I will be showing you guys a sneak peek of what it's like when I operate my business. Okay, this is a Cadillac. I don't know what year it is. It's not the newer model, obviously, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I do my services. Okay, I'm out here in the beautiful neighborhood in my city called Sturbridge, and I love being in this environment because one day I will have a home and a driveway with a truck, something like this in it. Mark my words. Now, it's really nasty, as you can see. It's been about 2 years since I've been at this customer, served this, this customer or whatever, and I'm about to put it down. And the reason why that time frame is so long is because I had stopped my business for a little while, and I gave her a call, and she was ready to go. She wanted me back, so here we go, guys.
Listen, guys, pretty much in this video I will be showing you guys how to properly clean a black vehicle. Okay, as you can see, this vehicle is nasty. Okay, neglected. All right, she's been running through a car wash. Car washes don't clean the rims right, so it's brake dust caked all over it and swirl marks all over it. And I'm about to put the smack down on this thing, so this is about to be exciting. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, go ahead and smack that like button like right now, okay? Don't hesitate to do it right now, okay? Dirty situation here, but it's nothing that I can't handle, all right? Guys, always use your gloves. Can't stress that enough. Protect your skin, all right? Use your glove. Protective gear all the time. Listen, guys, whenever you are cleaning a black vehicle, car, truck, it really doesn't matter. If the surface is black, with my experience, if you don't have help, you always want to keep the paint wet. Don't let the water dry on it. Don't let the soap dry on it, okay? You will have hella water spots, soap spots. It's terrible. You know what I'm saying? So the sunny side first. That's what I do. I clean the sunny side first, and I immediately, especially if it's a truck, I immediately rinse the soap off because I don't want the soap to dry up on the roof and anywhere. I just don't want it to dry, so I go ahead and rinse it off. Okay? Don't let it dry. If you have help, that's different. One person rinse it, one person put the soap on, and then somebody come behind you and immediately get that soap off. Now, what you guys see me doing here is putting a degreaser on the rims. It's not that strong because it's chrome, and I don't want to mess up the rims, okay? But make sure you guys get yourself a heavy degreaser so it can help you out, especially if you're out there operating the business by yourself, man. Your tools and your chemicals can be your helping hand if they're effective enough, all right? I'm immediately rinsing these rims back off. Now, check this stuff out here. I put this in my wash soap. All right, it's by Nano Skin. It sucks cleaning rims and tires, but for some reason it brings out the paint. All right, I had brought it back to the company and I was like, hey man, this chemical right here is trash. It didn't take any of the brake dust off at all. It was like, well, you can use it inside of your wash soap when you wash the vehicle, and it brightens and enhances the color of the paint. I tried it and man, it worked. In the other clip, I was using the Mother's Speed Wax wash and wax. So filling up my bucket here, ready to go. Now I got my brush. I love using these, man. I don't care if you don't like it. It's just, everybody do what works for them. I do not like using the wash mitts. I can't stand it. I think it puts me too close to the vehicle. That's the problem. When I'm done, my whole shirt is wet. So I'm like, man, come on, man. I need something that's gonna separate me from the car a little bit. So I effectively utilize this wash brush, man. I don't bang it up against nothing. I'm pretty professional with it, man. So if you're gonna use one of these wash brushes, don't be clacking and banging it up against the mirrors and stuff like that, man. Right there, I got attacked by a wasp. That's the reason why I picked up the pressure washer. See, I got mad a little bit, but hey, show goes on. Now, cleaning the wheels, because I rather manually clean these rims because I don't want to put a heavy degreaser on these chrome rims and risk messing them up, guys. So, and they fairly easy to clean, so why not get down on my hands and knees and go ahead and grind it out. It's easy, man. This stuff is easy. Now what you see me doing now is I'm about to dry the vehicle. You got a vacuum in your hand though. Exactly. I'm utilizing my tools, man. The vacuum that I bought, it came with a blower. Look at that. Came with a blower. I'm like, man, the best of both worlds. Now, when I use this blower, it's not meant to completely dry the entire vehicle. That's not what it's for, okay? It helps me in certain areas so it can speed up my drying time so my water don't dry on the vehicle, so I don't have water spots. So I go ahead and get the wheels dried up real well so I don't have to sit up there and clean water spots off the chrome rims. I go ahead and get the water off the windows and the mirrors so I don't have any water spots on there. I go ahead and blow the water out of the door handles. Yes, sir. Look at that swag. Now, what I got in my hand is a chrome glass cleaner or whatever, just in case I do roll up on some water spots, just dried up. I go ahead and release them with that chrome and glass cleaner. It helps me release. Anytime I see one, I go ahead and douse it. As you guys can see, I go ahead and saturate the little water spots that did make it that did end up drying up on the paint, and I go ahead and make it disappear with my glass cleaner and chrome cleaner. You want to dry in straight vertical lines. That's what I do. And like sideways, I don't go in circular motions. As you can see, I try my best not to, because I don't want to create the same problem that the car washes create with that swirl motion action. Now, doing the back, same thing. Now, on to the tires, man. Everybody know I love using coverall. Best tire shine on the market, okay? You can purchase it at O'Reilly's. The price is going up now. It's like $9.49 before tax. It's 10 something after tax. It went up. I don't give a damn. The can is $10 a can. I'll buy 3, 4, 5 cans of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not afraid to invest in my company using quality products, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.
I'm a great example, great sex haver, in shape for the Met Gala. Come at Kim Kardashian, dick in your back, now look back at it. I'm about to enter the dragon. I'm about to enter the dragon. High intensity discharge. I got a better medallion. I'm about to give her the dragon. I'm about to give her the dragon. Blowing on them Bruce Leroy. I got a fetish for fashion. Be around me, know you want to. I'm like regular people. Got them thinking I know kung fu. The way I be kicking that lingo. Be around me, know you want to. I'm like regular people. Got them thinking I know kung fu. The way I be kicking that lingo. I'ma roll a flyway in a driveway, double R. Voice activation at the start. Push button, I ain't got a